Ayan, ang dami kong avocado. Sabi ko gagawa ako ng ice candy. Pero since madami siya, nagbago isip ko. Gawin natin siyang ice cream. Gawin natin siyang ice cream. Guys, tunaw na yung ating avocado. Lagyan na natin ng cream and condense. Okay, let's go. Mas yummy! Lagyan pa natin siya ng strawberry yogurt granola. Ito yung magiging nuts ng ating ice cream. Ubusin ko na. Kasi marami naman yung avocado natin. Ooh, okay. Ito na yung ating ice cream. So creamy. So guys, tikman natin. So i-freezer lang natin to. At meron na tayong homemade ice cream. Guys, nakagawa ako ng homemade avocado ice cream with strawberry and yogurt granules. 1, 2, and then I have this 1.5 liters. Tadan! Okay. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Basta masipag. Basta may time lang, no? Making and preparing food needs time. So, chill lang natin to overnight and tomorrow meron na tayong ice cream. This is my ice cream after 24 hours. Sabi ni Stella, masarap daw. Manya. Lasang-lasa yung avocado na. Yes, masarap. Pwede na.